Hello to everyone, today I have for repairing mobile phone LeEco Live Pro 3 and on it we'll change the battery. As you can see, it doesn't have any screws or holes on the edge, and this is because the phone is disassembled from the display. Okay, let's start. Turn it off, take a hair dryer and warm the display. You also need a sucker and a card, with which you will pick at the edges. Warm the display around the edges. The temperature is about 200 degrees. After heating, take a sucker and pull the display, looking for a place that has come unstuck and become possible to pass the card. You see, here we pull it off. Immediately pass the card and pass it in a circle along the frame. Don't try to cut hardly in place where it goes tight, otherwise the screen will damage. Pass it on one side, the card doesn't go further. Warm up more. Constantly keep the same temperature so as not to damage the working display, and gently pass on. If you need to change the display, you can easily pick it out without any problems. And so I have already opened a little bottom. Don't be in a hurry to tear further. Gently while pulling, warm it further, and slowly it moves further and further. Again warm it up and already trying to pull the display down. And now, after a lot of time, it peeled off successfully. By the way, I left link into the old tools from the video, as well as spare parts for this phone, in the description under the video. The display is unbroken. Excellent. Next, you need to unscrew the two screws on the cover that press the display connector. Remove the cover, disconnect the display cable, and it is in our hands. Who needs to change only display? Just lifted up the old one, cleaned the frame and glued the new one back. And we continue to disassemble. Next, unscrew all the screws that you see. We have them on top and bottom of the phone. Also, don't forget to remove the SIM card tray. After all screws have been unscrewed, pick up the plastic covers along the edge and trace it. It is fixed on the latch. We pull it from side to side, and it easily removed. Next, turn off the battery and remove it. From the bottom of the battery, there are two tabs, for which pull off double-sided tape from under battery. Usually they work badly, as in our case. The first came off immediately and the second too. Okay. Then take a hair dryer and warm it up from the back. You can warm the battery itself, but here it is convenient from the back. After warming up, take a metal sponger or mediator. Pick out the battery at the edge. And slowly, with such smooth movements, swing it from all the edge. You can still add alcohol under the battery, it will pull off much faster. I don't recommend cutting the glue under it with a card, since there a cable that can be damaged. As a result, it is removed without damage or carvage. Glue a new double-sided tape on the case. And before installing a new battery, let's check it. To do this, connect the display and turn on the phone. The phone is turned on perfectly. Also check whether the battery is able to charge. The charging process has gone. Fine, everything is okay. Turn off the phone, remove the display, turn off the battery and remove it. Remove the protective film from the double-sided tape and glue the new battery. Connect the cable and cover with an iron cover. Next, turn all the screws back. After tightening, completely clear the frame of the old double-sided tape. Also degrease it. And if you don't put a new display, we also remove the old double-sided tape from the display and degrease it. Next, connect the display connector, put the cover and tighten its screws. After that, apply glue B7000. Applying glue, attach the display along the edge and press it on all sides. Turn on the phone to verify that everything was successfully collected back. Insert the SIM card tray and press the display with pins for 24 hours until the glue is completely dry. As you can see, everything works fine. So on this, the battery on the LeEco LePro 3 changed. Did it help or did you like the video? Put like, and also don't forget to watch my other videos and click on the circle in the center of the screen and subscribe to the Art Build channel.